House Bill 2492 relates to people who are arrested for family violence offenses and how long they may be required to stay in custody after they post their bail. Let's go through this new law and all the changes that you need to know. Article 17.291b of the Texas Code of Criminal Procedure previously allowed for an arresting agency to hold someone for up to 4 hours after bond was posted if the person was arrested for family violence and if there is probable cause to believe that the violence will continue if the person is immediately released. The previous permissive language in the statute of may hold was changed to shall hold, meaning that it is not discretionary anymore. The arresting agencies are also now required to hold for a minimum of 4 hours, where previously they were only required to hold up to 4 hours. The new law also allows for detention to be extended to a maximum of 48 hours if additional conditions are met. If the extension exceeds 24 hours, the arresting agency must have authorization from a magistrate that states that the arrested person has previously been arrested for an offense involving family violence, or they have a previous arrest for an offense involving a deadly weapon. The phrase probable cause to believe family violence will continue is not defined by the statute, which leaves interpretation by the magistrates and the law enforcement officers. Probable cause means there is reasonable basis to believe a person has committed or will commit a crime. However, regarding bail, it will now be used to assess whether there's enough evidence to believe that the person may commit further acts of violence if immediately released. This is where the holding agency and the magistrate will consider prior evidence such as the reason for the arrest, the nature and severity of the offense, threats made, statements from the victim, or behavior during the arrest. This new law only applies to people who have been arrested on or after September 1st, 2025. If you have any questions about this new law, feel free to contact us at Varghese Summersett at 817-203-2220.